Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark on videos using Capcut. So in here, you can just find the video of TikTok that you want to save. So I'm going to just open the TikTok applications. Okay, so in TikTok, if you want to save the video, you can just easily do it by clicking on the share button and then tap on save video. And after that, the videos will be automatically downloaded to your phone. And then you can just switch to CapCut. Okay, so in CapCut now, you can just open the video that you save on TikTok, tap on new project and open the video. So for example, this is the video that I want to remove its watermark. This is a lyric overlay. And there are two methods that you can do. The easiest one is you can just zoom in on the video. So you can click on the video here on a timeline and stretch the video just like this until the TikTok watermark is no longer seen on the screen, just like this. And you can preview the result because sometimes the TikTok watermark is moved from left to right, so you need to check the entire clips. Okay, you can see there is no watermark attached now. And now the second method that you can do masking. You can duplicate the video first, tap on duplicate and make one of the video as overlay. Hit on this overlay button, and now you can go back, click on effects, video effects, find the lens category, and then find the blur, this one. Click on the blur and adjust the intensity to how you like it. I'm going to go with 80. Click on the check icon and make sure the blur is applied through to the entire video. And now click on the overlay video. So click on overlay and find mask. Choose the rectangle one. Adjust the position so that it fits into the watermark like this, and tap on invert. Okay, so now the video will look like this. The watermark will be blurred. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.